check-in, y'all. Hey, we in Miami. After 14 hours, y'all. 14-hour drive. We did it. And y'all, this is the B&B. It's the views for me. Cute. Ah, it was a struggle, y'all, but we made it. All right, it's a big, I love the windows. What's up, lovelies, and welcome back to my channel. You guys, it is spring break and we are in Miami, baby. We got some catching up to do, so let me sit y'all down. All right, y'all, so we have just checked into our beautiful Airbnb, y'all. This really made me want like a high-rise apartment, I'm not gonna lie. But right now it is 5:27 and the only thing we're doing today is dinner. So we have reservations at Marion, which is about 10-12 minutes away from us. Our Airbnb is in downtown Miami, so we really see all the views and get all the good vibes. But yes, y'all, like I said, we have dinner reservations at 8 and I still need to fully get ready, finish doing my hair, shave, all of that good stuff. So I'm about to go ahead and do that. I'm not gonna lie, I don't want this video to be me talking much. It's just gonna be more like aesthetic vibes. So make sure y'all subscribe to the channel, give this video a huge thumbs up, and yes, y'all, let's have fun in Miami. Y'all, so like I said, I've been doing my island twists for literally 2 days now. And this is how they came out. I absolutely love it. I wanted it very thick, y'all, like really thick. And I just have these 3 right here to go. So we're gonna go ahead and get it done. Y'all, I am finally done. Oh my gosh, y'all, after 3 days. 3 freaking days, I am finally done with my hair and I absolutely love it. It is so full but not heavy at all, y'all. Like, it's not heavy and I'm actually really surprised. I'm about to go ahead, mousse it up, add some oil to the scalp, and then we'll be good to go. Bust down 27, okay, period.
Every second, every minute, man, I swear that she can get it. Say if you a bad bitch, put your hands up high, hands up high, hands up high. Tell them dim the lights down right now, put me in the mood. I'm talking about dark room perfume.
Look at my baddie friends, y'all.
I recognize your fragrance. Hold up, you ain't never gotta say shit. And I know you taste this a little bit. High maintenance. Everybody else basic. You live life on an everyday basis with poetic justice. Poetic justice. I told you that a flower bloom in the dark room.
Hey, sweetie, like, what's up? I'm in the building. I said I'm going I'm a real ass, rich ass bitch from the south.
Y'all, we are off to Marion's, period, in the all black. We're looking too good.
Y'all, we have to get the baddest pictures tonight.
The baddest pictures, y'all.
You look so fucking good.
So good.
Like, I want
Period.
So you better take your time. Me, 'cause I remember last time you wouldn't make love to me. Then you fell fast asleep. Wouldn't even talk to me. No. Say I'm so crazy, baby. I got the keys. For me.
You guys, we have made it back to the apartment and look at this view. Like, oh my gosh, I absolutely love it. But y'all, it's literally about to be 12 a.m. and I'm gonna go ahead and call it a night. So I will see you guys in the morning. Good morning, lovelies. It is the next day in Miami, and today is Friday, so y'all already know it's time to get lit. It's looking good outside. The sun is out.
80?
It's 80. It's 80 degrees.
79.
Oh,
But it's 80.
girl, it's 80 degrees. It feels so good, y'all. I was trying on my outfits for today. That's why I have this on. But today is an all-white vibe. We are going to Strawberry Moon. They throwing like a spring break pool party there, and we're renting a beach couch all day. So we'll be there pretty much most of the day, and then after that we plan on going out tonight. So that's pretty much the itinerary, you guys.
My bad, bitch. I'm pretty than a motherfucker. Hoes be looking okay. She think that she fucking with me. Is this bitch okay? He said he ain't fucking around. I look at him like okay. I used to be
High
down
volume,
bad, but
high
now a
volume,
bitch
high volume.
okay. I'm pretty than a motherfucker. Hoes be looking okay. She think that she fucking with me. Is this bitch okay? He said he ain't fucking around. I look at him like okay. I used to be down bad, but now a bitch okay. Down south, bad bitches, street shit so ratchet. Call me JT, aka the soul snatcher. I'm with a booster, a scholar, and a pole dancer. Pussy nigga call my phone, he won't get no answer. Fuck these niggas, and fuck these hoes too. You can't fuck with me, fuck what a bitch told you. Sexy black.
We out of here, y'all. We at the pool party. We're going to the beach, right?
Niggas want me to get ratchet. Niggas want me to attack it. Put the hood on, they're telling me cashes.
Like, do we eat it or just bite it? You know, like, I don't know. It just feels like it was once a fruit.
It's really good.
Do we eat it or just bite it?
We chew it, right?
We just chew on it? Or can it's like digestible? Can we eat it? Like, I don't think I don't eat it.
It's really it's good. Don't worry, it's not like your beef will be thick for
Yeah.
So don't worry, that's just.
Okay.
It feels like a
This is the sugar. This is like caña de azúcar. En Tucumán, en mi provincia, nosotros hacemos el azúcar.
All of the love I see living inside of me. I can't see how blind.
The outside is South Beach.
You ain't getting your bitch back. Calm down, never say that. I don't want pipe down, rather get paid back. Mama told me never see where you lay at. I don't want righteousness, I hurt too much, I lost too much, I lost too much, I hit my clutch and boom.
You guys, we have made it back to the Airbnb. Today was so much fun, you guys. I'm saying that like the day is over. It is not. It's literally only like 7:30, but we just gonna chill until later on tonight because our feet and legs hurt. Yes, y'all, we don't know where we're going tonight, but it's so many places to choose from. So we'll just figure that out and just, you know, go with the flow. Look at my baddies, period. Looking good, looking good. Yeah, it's like 2 in the morning, but we outside.
I mean, where the fuck should I really even start? I got hoes that I'm keeping in the dark. I got my niggas across the street living large. Thinking back to the fact that they dead, thought my raps wasn't facts, so they sat with the bars. I got 2 phones, one need a charge. Yeah, they twins, I could tell they ass apart. I got big packs coming on the way. I got
Good afternoon, you guys. It is the next day, and as y'all can see, we are already up and at it, okay?
Got Lil Max with me, he the wave. It's a big gap between us in the game. In the next life, I'm trying to stay paid. When I die, put my money in the...
Y'all, why was these 3 drinks $97, y'all? Almost $100 for 3 drinks, y'all. That is crazy.
They got us.
They got us, bro. They got us.
They got us.
Look at the cruise ship. Period. That is huge. Y'all, so we are off of the boat and we just made it to Victory Lounge. We're waiting on our table right now, but we outside and it's already looking like a vibe, so I'm ready.
Cut the small talk, I like cash talk. Lady diamonds hitting, turn the flash off. I'm like Win Dixie, I get bags off. Baby got a pretty face, slim waist, ass off. I'ma get my own sack, bitch, I never had the bag. I ain't taking shit back, bitch, I said what I said. I was down bad, and they left your boy for dead. She say, girl, that fat nigga keep a loaf of bread. I still got powerhouses coming through on mopeds. I'ma still run it, check up like I got 4 legs. Give me any drug, I'ma get it off. I'ma snap on these fuck niggas every time they piss off. Bitch, I'm tryna.
Hey y'all, so we have just made it back to the B&B from brunch. Everything was so good. We went to Victory Lounge, got like 4 different plates of food, bottomless mimosas. The music was good. Everything was just a vibe, y'all. Unfortunately, we leave tomorrow morning, like early tomorrow morning. So we'll probably just chill out for the rest of the day, probably go to the rooftop pool. But yes, y'all, so far Miami has been lit and I've had so much fun. But I mean, you know, it's not over yet. We still got a little more hours to go. Up from the nap, on the way to the pool. We have the whole place to ourselves. Look at the roof. Top pool. Got a little tiki. Oh yeah, this is nice. Period. This is so cute. Like what? This pool is huge.
Find your heart. I better find your loving. I better find your heart.
Y'all, it's like 12:30 in the morning, but I just ordered me some wings. They look so good. I think I got garlic, honey garlic or something like that with fries and a ginger ale. But yes, y'all, after I eat this, I'm gonna go ahead and call it a night. The rooftop pool was so good, y'all. Like, it was just perfect way to end off the night in Miami. But like I said, I'm gonna go ahead, eat this, and call it a night because we have a very long drive tomorrow. So I will see you guys in the morning.
I better find your loving. I better find your heart. I better find your loving. I better find your heart. I better find, give all my love, and nothing's gonna tear us apart.